My people, una well done, una good evening. We don't come again today. Today we deal with one of our big brother for here. In fact, today he will tell us so many things. We be say we need to know for entertainment matter. We say concern comedy. We be say in our talking and do. So most of us maybe we already know him before, but as it be so today, you can explain so many things. Give us we be say we never know before. We say a concern this comedy matter because we know say many people dey for that comedy, but now the people will be say if they make one maybe say the matter come better for us. Now we be say e important we be say we go like to hear today. So the matter now be say to start with, we welcome our studio here. So Mr. Agotalk, welcome to Urban TV.
Hello, good evening, sir.
You welcome for here. We want to speak big Oyibo. Now the small one will be say dey for inside. Now we take the march ground for this side, you know. We're not gonna be like say you can't carry those out your big Oyibo come for this side. That be say most of us now self to even ask the question self or can't they hard us to ask the question. So the matter now be say we go like to start with this question. Say you fit tell us your name because I go talk. But later you expect us to give us so, but we will not go find hear your name. What did they call you?
My name is Osasun Ariemboa from Edo State, Uhonde local government.
Uhonde local government. My people are here also because many people will be say he never knows you. They think say you be a British citizen. You know, because of the kind of style we say you get, not a small team. So the thing I be say, I will go like me to tell us what you say you they do.
Apart from comedy, I dey work.
Okay.
Apart from comedy for Europe, I dey work. Because you know, Europe comedy here, it not just be like home comedy like that. A little bit difference. They even most of our brothers when they live well for the comedy industry for Nigeria, they no fit talk say na only comedy na they do. That is just the secret. So I dey work.
Okay.
I work for a company for here.
Okay, you do well. We be say to let us know that one say you work for company for here too. But the matter now be say we come here now say I go talk. That name, when we hear it shocked me small. First, when I hear I say, I go talk. I say, what do you want to talk? What it make you that name? What you make you create that name? Say, I go talk. What you make you use that name?
That name climbed me, let me say, about 13, 14 years ago. When I performed finish for birthday, this guy they talk, this guy they talk. So when I hear from there, I just package the name, Germany say, I go talk. So any event when I go, I go say, may they write my name as I go talk, because those when we they do and read for Edo State for Benin that day, at that time, we not really get stage performance. We just they do the matter like MC. Then we they look up to
Will they come that side? Now you don't tell us why we say they answer that name, I go talk. So the next question now be say, we go like when you tell us when you take start this comedy matter for this industry and why you decide to start this comedy matter.
I think 2005. So 2005, which is from Nigeria. Now start on, but for Europe here, let me say, should be about 2009, 2010 for Europe.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you make you start this comedy issue?
Comedy issue, they say not because of me. I just like comedy because if I dey entertain my fans and I dey always they see them, they laugh, the thing they give me joy too. But when I come later, they say not be the way we they do the comedy. When I travel go Nigeria as 2011, 12, Because it's a comedy in a business. Not be only the way to just to they make people they laugh. I can't see other parts of comedy. Say, now money be this. When you are good and you have good material things to sell, definitely people will recognize you. That's what they
do. You do well for that one. We'll be saying you tell us so. But we would like maybe know more for your family background. Because you mentioned just now say this your name, Nabi Osasu, that Benin Mekong has more. What you call that your surname again just now?
Ari Hembuwa.
Ari Hembuwa. So if you tell us more for your family background, as in your papa, your mama, and in fact, more for inside, we'll be say people will be say don't you know you like that.
Yeah. I be son of Chief Samuel Ari Hembuwa, the Odion warrior for Narino, for Benin there. Okay. So my father na chief, and he was married to 2 wives. No those chief now. So we are 14.
That another package. That another package for royal family.
So
that another package for royal family then.
Yeah, we'll be 14 number. Happening to be the 13th born. I be the 13 out of 14. So
in fact,
my father I own Naka 7 for this side. So if we come out for her, we'll be like community.
Not be small thing. If I say that's milk when we say your mama still they put for herself in the bottle for you. I hope you can't follow body come here.
That's a view. That's a view.
You do well. So that the thing they say, with the see and say your comedy, it really makes sense. In fact, it gets the one we say we still see one time, we say what to take so. We be say you the try to kind of they advise people we say they will say comedy they package too. When should make you come with that idea? Say, I want to talk this kind of word to these people.
That evening actually, because I don't do that kind of comedy things. Because though many people call me, say, man, what to make you talk this word? And really, not things when they happen. You know, comedy these days we don't talk about animals. We talk about things that happen. That is why when we say most Nigeria comedians, if they come Europe, they not fit make people when they Europe laugh the way we go to them. And most of us when they Europe, if we go Nigeria, if we know they talk about things when they happen individually, things when they happen for Nigeria, the people they not go feel us. So that's comedy. So I use them like waiting they really happen and things when they happen. Most people for Nigeria they write me say, oh boy, you don't first. Even some of my friends when we say they do little bit, the team laugh, boss laugh for the same. Now read and not truth. So there is nothing to hide for it. Let's be real when we are doing things. So that's just the fact.
You do well. So now for the matter of this comedy now, because as you talk and just now say we start everything the work out, especially for this industry, we concern entertainment for those states. Maybe say most of us we come from. This matter of entertainment now, both for those states and for Europe, we talk about so we concern most especially Nigerian people, or most especially the Edo people we they talk about now since before. Now, what do you think say? Because we can say the entertainment matter, it be like say not they go anywhere again. So what do you think now say they fit do to carry this matter go the highest level?
First of all, I'll say like those state comedians, not be other side. I know you talk about general. Those state comedians, they are good. They are very good in stand-up, MC, and most I don't see most comedians. If I don't know comedians for only Edo State, it should be like 200 for that Edo State. So because of poor promo, they're not the 2 years of those people. And most of them still get opportunity to take visa come Europe. They believe say if they come, their people not go give them that 100 kudos. Like they not go get the money when they take sponsor all those things. It's still they are fed and marketers. We need marketer too. And I pray may God support una as una want see they drive they come our side so that we need una support. We need una support generally because now somebody they draw people together. Because those comedians, we fit get different character. Someday now, like if you want come, they like we come together, unite this thing. Another person get different character. Another person get different character. And to figure out those kind of people, now person will be say himself get loyal spirit, because some comedian just believe say na money, na be everything. If you call them say you want to use them for this kind of something, they just believe say talk how much you fit pay me. If you don't get that money, we know they come. They not go fully realize say you want to try group them together, they build their place. So they not get those kind of experience. So that kind of thing, I prefer elderly person when be say still don't dey into entertainment where go put all those things to their head, gather everybody together. I think say it go lead to better place. Like Worry get them, and Worry must laugh, Worry again. So something like that day. So it was built by them AY, and then if they want to Worry again, all comedians they come together. Even some comedians will not be worried, they go support the program. Not be say they want make big money, but they'll take the program to governor. At least the government go still support the same. Mona take do nothing, but they build the thing they go and market as the buy. So that kind of thing we never get that for those states.
You do well. We do well. We will talk about that too. You do well. But the matter be say, as it can be now, like for instance, we ask the question and say, as you did now, you don't perform for like all those kind of shows where we see they talk about, so all those kind of big shows where we say they call them big shows, so and not be say people be say they go there and big people too. But they call them big shows because of the kind of people we say many will be say they like for Nigeria, for even outside, who they will be saying for the talk. So you don't perform for all this kind of those people be so they talk about just them AY, then this one. At least you don't see perform with them.
Yeah, I performed 2018 AY edition for Port Harcourt. So I was the first person to open the program for AY Live that day for Port Harcourt. Most of the comedians was there, and Basket Mats says us too. I don't see perform for Basket Mats.
You do well because we want to know all this one as you talk just now. Because Urban TV and radio, we they put out for the matter for grand now say we want to try as we fit carry this our entertainment. We be say concern this comedian, movie, music people, maybe we be especially people they come from all the southern area. But can I call the high level, especially for those states we be say talk and just now say like say the government said don't they go they show concern for the matter. So now it make us the time to do one, make everybody join us together, make people say the feel carry and come out for where it did, go to the next level. So the matter that they say, for your own mind now, or as you don't do for outside, you see get as not they collaborate with people doing for those states, for instance.
Yes, we they call each other. I know say comedians thing. I don't know what I want to call it. It get as comedian, you know say comedian they get crew. It still be like pastor things. You say men of God, they get their own crew. Like comedian, if they see say you are good, you don't even need to call them, they will call you. Before you know, they don't write you. Before you know, they don't, because they want like, make them work with you, they want to make you work with them. So once they get waiting, they know say they need this thing from you. I know say some comedian, they thief joke. So
they thief joke too. But I don't understand you. You say they thief joke.
Comedian they thief joke now.
So this is copyright for comedy too.
If I go there, crack joke now, you too clap for her. You get the guy when go to look you as a comedian. He himself knows that joke don't go not be get that again. So
you mean say copyright there for comedy too?
Yes, it did do. Why not? It did do now. Now let's cover whenever they cover. And then the sick person will go sick P-Square music, go say na cover. And now people still go to track person joke now, go say cover. Say na cover.
Not be smarty. So
okay, yes, say PG not fly.
You say what thing?
I say yes, say PG not fly.
Black side, I don't hear. Black side, hear more.
Enough fly. This one at the fourth time. We don't know if they have for that country.
You do well, you do well, you do well. But the matter now be say, we would like to ask again, they say. Now, we don't say now say, when they try to collaborate, so as you talk about us, so they connect each other because they see they do things with them and they do things now too. But you, for instance, now they call you now and say, okay, as it be so, we get one event for Nigeria. We want to make you enter. So you sure say you enter like that too?
Yeah, mostly they call me. Most of those state comedians, they call me. And why this I know they too show up for many, me in a Euro-based comedian. And maybe the period when they want to do their program, I know they Nigeria. And they want me to show face for their program. Someday they want make I support their program. While someday they want make I come perform for their program. So if I can't look my money for tickets and I can't look the money when you want to pay me. So sometimes argument they follow the account. Of course, I say at the end, not be to go show face. Be the matter. Now make me not lose. So they're not the feel run my bees.
Yes.
So now most of the videos I know they
go at that. You do well, you do well. So as you talk about just now, how you look, you don't come take now say for this comedy or entertainment or the industry that we'll talk about now. So how you sure say now, what do you think say the government supposed to do, especially for those states?
Let me say for the music side, even the government they show cost sign. But for the comedy side, man, I don't think say our government don't they show the comedians love like that. Maybe the feed on they do on code, I know they see them. But for me, I never see them. Comedian they really need help. Because comedian when get too much materials when they never know. Now plenty pass the ones when people don't know about. Comedian, why they see them? I see them, most of them, they come with a job for program and I see their materials. They are good. So they are just there, the talent is there, they are not moving. Just be like as we be. If really say help really day over a person say good day, spend 15 years or 16 years for side comedy. Say man, now like that the matter still they be. So like Davido, I listened to interview last time. He say I'm 10 years in music industry. Go calculate Davido years. Can't calculate my own. If you know cost quarrel. So
it'll cost quarrel. No, it's nothing.
It'll cost quarrel. So that's it. So the support we need them. If we thought say we don't need the support, some people go there, they want help us say, this guy don't too blow now. And I'm going those guys, they don't collect. We don't need all those things. If we want to show support. We need them. We need them. Not be only manager we need. We need things, make things they happen. As God don't still bless us, say man, we feel go anywhere. We feel go anywhere.
You do well.
Say one go, we feel
you do well. You do well. So now the question now be say, since the government now all the support, and now they try to tell them that they support, they don't want support. Now the question now be say, wait till you now think say this government fit do now, say now support with that one. Because if you don't know, if you want support, but they don't want to support. Maybe many people don't even tell them say make the support as we talk and so. So what you sure say the government fit do not to support?
Which I know say the government fit do to support us now. First of all, if I thought say we need to create guidance for ourselves first, and we need to something like group. Because enough you say me government can't support one person. If government say and say now those states comedian be this, something like association. And maybe every year they want to do those states festival comedian something. So through there, and now somebody went into entertainment field, when they do things well for those states there, they put that kind of thing for a hand. Definitely the matter go dey very easy to reach the government. So not be difficult thing. And the government must respond because they know say we be their children, they must respond. They must respond. When they see our materials, they must respond.
Okay, thank you very much. So the matter now be say, since we don't talk that one now, as you consider now be say, we don't say now say the matter it tight for her, not be small, because support, as you're talking about just now, the upcoming, this one be say they also start for Nigeria too, for other places too, they know the too much see support as you're talking about just now. So we don't know if it's possible too for you, say at least as it be so, maybe you just still come up with one in the years, like I said, this
yeah, they hear you, sir.
Okay. So now the matter now be say, as it can't be like that now, what do you personally think that say, person like you now, maybe say you don't struggle for the matter for this comedy issue, maybe so that they entertain people and the government too, they don't show concern and material and need support. For instance, now, maybe for instance, now they go events or they go show. Because somebody will be so first call before tell us say the only area we see the one main government for support them now still the same promotion. So making they promote the comedy industry. Now so you see how too.
Yeah, now only that area be that.
Because because not be so now I can ask movie.
No, because most of the programs, even the government, there they go. There they come, most of those comedy stand-up, there they go. They still go, they catch their phone. But the top ones, they benefit and pass. Because nobody when go to say no need help. The top ones, so I don't want to mention names.
I know.
So the top ones, they benefit and if they call government will come. So but
very good.
Maybe now because of the small thing, now maybe they don't want to give the opportunity to create that guideline for the upcoming ones, so that made the thing they circulate.
So now that comedy they do like, for instance, now the Anchor event too.
Yeah, the Anchor event, they do stand-up comedy, and they do my skits.
You guys skit too?
Yeah, I guess skits. I guess.
I said many people don't know about this one. So now, if your skits now, what will be the topic of most of your skits? What we say they do?
Now just my skit, go past 200. I got the names. If I got the name this now, it many some skits when I'll jam. It be like when one magazine called me from Lagos last time. We were discussing about my YouTube channel anyway, and then the man say I could talk. So though it was a private advice anyway. When he go through my YouTube channel, he discover my YouTube channel is 10 years. So the man talked to me and he said, "No, man, you have gone a long way, bro. See what it is." But I just pray. We are working on it.
You do well. So the matter that we say, for us, it can't be like this now, because we don't start talking about your you don't take for inside the matter. So which advice now you get to give the upcoming comedians who say they come?
The waiting they okay most comedians, I'm not gonna lie you. Comedians, first thing the thing where we need first, just fair console and come up for your way. Pride, like this, whether they know some comedian they never even know them. They keep that pride. That pride, they keep entertainment. They keep entertainment where you need, and secondly, you need to stay close to God. Because without God, nowhere. Because person when they keep pride and or maybe believe on one big comedian, get access to that comedian. That person saying go help him, and at the end the person not go help him. Make him not just carry on for mind like say na their life for end. Make continuously they do the thing they go. If na common video, little video, any word when you say for there, people feel pick something from there, say man, this guy good. And I they do skit, and I'm surprised now you never see most of my skit, but those little words of 2 minutes when I talk about, una see them.
When they see all those ones, now let me ask you the question. Oscar say that matter we say that matter where I become that table just now, because in that place there, you never talk about. No, so we jump past just now. When we tell you say people say they call you for the matter, say why you go do this kind of thing? Now people like say you get up for mind for some white people.
No, I not get matter for like the way they talk just now. I know sabi keep person matter for mine. Once person offend me, I'll just tell her. And as I don't talk to him, it don't come off my mind. And sometimes people, they will talk out to my face. This is your loyalty. You want me that they talk, say you too good. Then make you they do this thing. I'll say, thank you, sir. Just keep to the do. Even though they not appreciate, they do them. Now, so life be. So, you they do them, better pass say, you know, they do the loyalty. So, say, the which person want loyal for better. They go, this. They know they live all those things. All those things. The person when you they phone for, say you too big person, you better say, now you hold the key of your life. And so, now, so life be. So,
but this matter we talk about now, not be saying at school, oh, that they go school put to for this comedy issue.
No. People, though, for Western world here, people, they see comedy school. Everywhere are they here, comedy school day. But the real fact be say, me not believe say to be funny, person need to go school. Those are natural things. Even sometimes when I dey talk to my mom, sometimes if we sit down, your bad tears don't they come out for her face. She go just laugh. Tears like, so I dey find out even most if I dey anywhere. So now so it dey be. Now natural. I don't think there is anything like school there.
You do well. So now the thing is say, you will tell us why they important, this comedy issue. Why they important? Make government really put body for this comedy.
Why they important make government put body? Even the government, no. They know. You see, this comedy now is taking another level, another dimensions. And most of those our government, they know they too get time to come out to. But those things when they focus, put the real fast, nothing when we they do when they know this. So they know that those children, they need help. And this why they really need to help them, they say, look, this comedy now, it can't still carry many children come up for streets. So children when they misbehave, when get mad to go, they do bad before. When you go don't see the kind crew when they follow, they go, say, man, now people won't get future for life. You understand? Somebody just go talk so kind funny word, he come out, say, 150,000. And he don't they plan to go another one. You expect that kind of person say, you want to go carry class, or you want to go keep person, or you want to go to join people, go to smoke for side bush. So you see, they educate our young youth. And if you see most comedians now, and they like the level when they like to blend themselves into, they blend themselves into like, so they see the top comedians, the life when they live. Like you know if you see comedian now, you just see one comedian, like Joe, like 4 guests. You don't see me now. How many guests don't hear the shout beside this house? Maybe you call those Nigeria people.
If I say reach 5, I see 2 for
those Nigeria actors now. Yeah.
If I say reach 5, if I say I see 2 for your wall. I'm not with that one. Because we don't call no. I don't say many people now because they're not telling me when they talk of yours that they're dangerous. This most especially for this lockdown. So now, the matter be this one. You do well for every ABC you don't tell us since concerning this comedy, and as we say the government supposed to take assist, most especially for those states, what it is supposed to do, push, and the reason why we say, most especially the upcoming, the small advice we say you give them, say they don't lose hope. Anything will be they get, they bring and come out because as you talk about just a lot of them true. They don't know as it materially big because why? They don't even know where they want to start from. Again, the system government come out time for inside the matter. So that apart from what we don't talk since now, we go ask now, you get anything we say you would like to tell us apart from what we talk since?
Yeah, I get a lot because like this comedy when we talk about now, this our diaspora here. The comedians, I pray may God, because they are good. I never jam our comedian here, stand-up comedian. I should be talking about 20 or 30. Our stand-up comedian for Europe here. I'm not talking about the musicians, just only the stand-up comedians. And I pray may God help us pass the level when we did so. The area where for the lack where for here, with the lack of marketers. And though me, I do my gospel comedy every year. before, which then when I was in Italy. But when I can't look the quantity, like the crowd when they come, sometimes they drop if you put them for market.
Okay.
It not be like where you want to forget 200. You know when they do something, if you do something for Nigeria, boy, who you call, bury yourself the food, talk less or say you want to do show.
Yeah.
So for Nigeria, we they get numbers of population pass waiting we they get for Europe here. So if we they try to ship and enter market, it is hard. That is why when you see say moving most comedians when they can't do their show for Europe to carry and enter market, they will not tell you the truth. It is hard, they know they put them for market because it go drop. It go drop their level of comedy. So now because I get some comedy when we go shows when we go now. If you not reach about 200, the crowd and everything, we not they like to put up for her. Those are most the secret. But the performance go there okay. If they drop the name of comedian too. So not be everything with the carry they put for her. And they would lack the biggest way where would they lack of nana marketer. With the lack of marketers.
Marketer. So now for comedy matter now, which one be the marketer for inside?
Now people we want to sell our comedy. If we do any comedy, when we do, now one help us put on for market. Like now one put on for Alaba, I go make sure say they Abuja, they worry. Then after 2 years or 1 year, then you go upload them for her.
Okay, you may
so
say. Sorry, you may say all this comedy that they do now. Now, because when they take and say now just YouTube and they put and finish.
No, not be only YouTube. I get the one with me and youngest landlord do now. About we do that one. That was 2013 or 2012. Now we do that one, 2 of us. At that time, say if you see us, I got the. I don't know why God not the queer. Some people if you say they get the stupid like that. If you see us, I call the thank God say now audio. If you see me and youngest landlord for that audio, God. The picture yourself, and we go better studio, go snap out. At that time, that was our best photo. But now when we come to see ourselves, I look at one day, I got a laugh. I said, God, you don't think when you rescue us.
Don't be smart team. Don't be smart team. You do well. So now we go see ask now. We say, what do you can get now to tell the fans? So we say they always support you, and when we say they always follow you for maybe especially for your channel, for your page. When we say if you still get events, they still they show at times. And some of the will say still they holler you say we need you for this side though, we need you for this side though. So what do you get to tell them?
Now they get that name now. Me not just representer. Now them be I go talk. Without them, I can't do anything. So may God continue to bless them as I see they pray for them day and night. Because without them, no, even where I don't reach now, I for never reach out. Because most of them they share my videos. The ones when I don't know, now I plenty pass the ones when I don't know. So without them, I for no who still reach this level when because I don't feel just share my video alone. Now people they help me they share them. Now people they comment put. So may God continue to bless them. And if I go events, I never go event one day. Last event when I go, that was 2019. I think say na Vicenza. The way that show take full, even me, I was happy. So I never go concert one day. They'll say, man, na empty chair. So the way people take they come out for me, man, I still there. Na kudos, man. I respect them. Not too much. I remember the lawyer boy.
You do well.
Yeah, my girl, they don't let hungry kill us.
So now we go like now me you throw one small sketch for them. One small skit now me you throw for them. One small skit we say they do. You just throw small for us for here. Because we don't want to make you organize and for you do one for us because you now stand-up comedian. So we would want to make you just stand up, do one for us now. As people they look us here.
Say they know they do advert for Igbona. You know, say Igbo, if you put in Lacasera for hold up, Igbo must still say pass Lacasera for hold up. You no need that verse. And I so like just be. Oh, you know, say person don't dey hold you, can't they knock for neck. Na so life dey be. Oh. No be everybody wey carry the smile. No be me say na enjoyment na dey enjoy. Na make me dey tell people say life na small. Person when the pot never, when put food for fire, you never done today. You know me say tomorrow you no go done. Na so life be. I agree to sir.
You do well. So now, what do you come back now to tell about Land TV and radio for this work that we do?
Yeah, Oberland TV and radio now do well. Without, I think say I don't still meet more faces when never still know about me before for the first time. With Oberland TV and radio now don't give me this opportunity. Make those people still know me today. Now God will bless una. But now I don't know whether na call or call give una now or na neti oye. If una be Christian, I'll give una neti oye. If na anything I serve, I'll give una cola. But na do well.
Cola.
Abi na we were na ya do pomwa.
You do well. So my people, we don't hear down from our big brother. We say we know as comedian I go talk. I would don't see the reason why we say in the talk. He talk and say, they talk with him, say, he don't know. In fact, if they talk only the small one, we say he don't see. Now they talk for his side. But we say just they know everything finished too. So now today because he tell us now, say many things they say the government supposed to assist the people for our side, that side, just as they do for here too. So the matter that we say all the comment, the council give them advice, say make all of that. Make una join head together to the big one, because if una become one, he talks say the comedy or the industry it will move forward. And today now we come here now say nobody comedy they do too. He say in the actual event, so people will say want to do party, you want to do wedding, you want to do any ceremony. Say in there, in the actual your event. I don't be anchor the color.
Na anchor.
And anchor man.
Na better English.
Place the color another name of course. Where I feel here anchor, because which kind of anchor? I mean, they want to anchor the event. So now we don't hear everything today. So you do well, maybe say you tell you come, maybe say you tell respect us, okay. Yes, you constantly tell us more things, maybe say it concern comedy matter, maybe say you don't tell us this evening. So my people, for those of you that will be say in the blue course, and I hear now they talking and do, we be say concern entertainment matter, and we concern other matter, we say in the interest of our people for worldwide. So for those of you that true, we be say, you never know of this our brother, I go talk, I know I don't know how well before, but to do that, I don't see him now, he don't explain to us, and we don't know where he come from, and we don't know the side, we be say, if they say now very simple and humble person. For those of you that true, we say get matter, in the talk and I say, make una feel free to call them. I beg, I don't know whether you get a land number. You get landline number?
I not get landline and my normal line I they use.
Normal line? No, cannot be landline.
No, not be landline. They not they use landline again.
I just said they use landline though, because somebody just said that so that you get landline number. So me you call landline the number, everybody they hear.
That landline, they're not they use it again. Now cemetery therefore they use all those ones.
Your person not for the commode, your person just stay in the back. So so now we would like now make you leave that nobody will say deal with you. Now make you leave her for here because I see one writing now for front here. Somebody they ask, say, what will be your number? So that's what I ask you.
Okay. My number over there, my fans page, Comedian I Go Talk.
Okay.
If you just write Comedian I Go Talk together, because this time now, you know, say hungry don't they beat some children. They feel come out now, go they talk, go they bear name will not be their own.
Okay.
So they try to get some little make people not come go, they say person don't shop my money and then other stuffs. So they come make I try find this part here.
So we wait for her. So I bet make you hold on.
Okay, may I call the number?
Okay.
+39
I bet this person will be say write us, so I bet make it write it down. What?
+39 351 11 08 468. I call them again.
Okay.
+39 535 11 10 8468. If you use and write me for WhatsApp, I use the number they WhatsApp too. So
okay, not
if
before.
you want to say I make it just to go comedian, I go talk fans page. You go see my picture there.
Okay. Okay. So my people, when I don't hear them now, so
my number,
for those of now,
they my fans page.
Okay.
Comedian.
For those of now, we say he write us. I don't hear that. I don't call her for that. When I go in fan page, comedian, I go talk. Once you just click on back, he say you will see the number for there. So as a bit so now here, now we'll carry this matter of this interview down with our brother. So before we will carry on down, we'll say you do well. As we talked about before, we'll be saying you really take that time. This person you dey busy for the work where you dey work. You still say, I will come sit down with the bar. Tell the small team will be say a day for this comedy matter. So we say you do well. We'll be say take on Urban Land TV and radio station this evening.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
So my people, when I do well, we say when I still put it for grant, tell the situation. So many things so this will they talk from there. So for those of you now we say if they never begin to follow us too, now will begin to follow us now for Urban Land TV. And Urban Land Magazine too. I will still get our website for www.urbanlandmagazine.com. Any type of news show that they see for that, what I look for, I will see for there. Now sport or entertainment or celebrity, I will see there. We're going to find out for so many things we be say concern our people for the whole wide world. So we say una do well. We be say una really come this evening. Sit down get it back. Take look us with our gentleman we in name now, a comedy name now, comedian I go talk. So we say una do well.